Hey guys, thought I would do a quick video here. I'm changing the oil in my Kubota BX2380. I do it once a year in the beginning of the season because I never put on enough hours to, as per their specs, during the year. So here's what I do to measure my oil. I buy it in these gallon jugs of Shell Rotella T, and so 1540. And so the Kubota takes 3.49, which I put in 3.5 quarts. What I have found to do that efficiently, without spilling it or anything, is I just take and pre-fill these Rubbermaid containers. And here it's 64 ounces. There's 2 quarts. And over here we have 48 ounces, which is 1.5 quarts. So that gives you your 3.5 quarts. And then I just take these tops off and it easily pours out. There's no spills. I used to do it in a one of those glass Pyrex measure things that you'd use for cooking. It just makes a heck of a mess. I find this works excellent. Now I have a dedicated funnel in this container to keep it clean. I've got it marked on either side here, and it is just for filling my Kubota up with this 1540 oil. All I've got to do is add the rest. It was nice and easy. Didn't spill a drop. And here goes the rest of it. And by doing it this way, I've ensured that I've got clean oil, measured properly, the containers marked, so when I put these in the basement, I know that the only thing goes in here is the 1540 oil. My funnel dedicated to 1540, even though I'll clean it out with some lacquer thinner, I know that that's all that it's used for. No cross contamination. The container keeps the funnel clean for the next time. I don't have to worry about any collection of dirt and dust and stuff on it. And I find this to be a good way to do it, especially when you're working with oils or anything. You want to maintain cleanliness. You want to make sure that oil for your engine, transmission, whatever it might be, hydrostatic oil, it's always maintained clean before it goes into whatever vehicle you're putting it into.